is Kim. I am back in my car. I am not dashing or delivering right now. I'm just at lunch, and I thought of a topic to talk about, so here we go. I'm going to talk about Para. That's the app that everyone was using that offered tip transparency, so you knew what the full tip was on Doordash. Anyways, so what happened? I don't really know. Anyways, I was on the fence about whether to use it or not. Oh my god, so noisy with all these trucks. I'm gonna sweat instead. Okay. So anyways, I'm a rule follower type person. I don't like to take unnecessary risks. I watched several YouTube videos about Para, and I finally decided to give it a try. So last weekend on Saturday, I logged into Doordash and turned on the Para app. I logged in and everything. And as soon as I started receiving Doordash orders, up pops the little text from Para, which basically told me the exact same thing that the Doordash app told me. I refused some offers based on the info that Para was giving me, even though I felt like some of those offers probably had hidden tips attached. Especially like example, I got one from Cheesecake Factory, and which is not a cheap restaurant. I think it was 6 or 7 items, and it said it was like $8. I don't remember how far it was. It wasn't going far or whatever, but I'm like, wow, only $8. And then the Para app said $8. I'm like, well, okay, well, maybe there's no tip on that one. So I declined it. I had a few like that I felt like they probably had more tip attached, but I was trusting the Para app. Anyways, long story short, I accepted one offer that was $10.25 or something like that. It was a short drive. I knew it'd be an easy pickup, and the delivery would be simple. It was just to a normal house. Anyways, Para said $10.25 also, which was actually fine. I'm like, okay, I'm going 2 miles or whatever for $10.25. So I did the delivery. Lo and behold, it was $18.50 total. So there was a hidden tip. So what the heck? Para didn't tell me about the hidden tip. For some reason, it didn't know about the extra amount. So then I took a few more offers that I felt would have hidden tips, based on my experience and my knowledge of my market. And sure enough, they did. But Para did not show the higher amount. So I finally decided that Para wasn't helping me. It was just aggravating me with the extra text coming in, and it was just telling me the same exact thing that Doordash was telling me, so I turned it off. Then later I came home and I looked online, I was looking on Reddit or whatever, and sure enough, Para is no longer showing the hidden tips. According to some of the YouTube gurus online, I guess Doordash has changed the way that they are sending out the offers, and Para or Para, whatever, is no longer able to capture the data in the same way. So they're no longer able to offer that information because they have to change the way they decipher the data, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so I picked the wrong day to try out the Para app. It's obviously not working anymore. But you know what? I could have predicted this. Anyone can figure out why Doordash changed things. They had to know about it. They knew about the app and the whole tip transparency that Para was offering. Hundreds of people post about it on YouTube. There's tons and tons of Reddit posts. There's a whole Facebook group dedicated to the Para app. And I guess there was a Doordash driver who's also a YouTuber who called Doordash to ask if it was okay to use that app, which to me is a little insane. But of course they had to change things. They couldn't act like they didn't know about it. This app was taking away their ability to trick people into taking all the lowball offers. When a cool trick comes out, you want to get away with something, you don't go shouting to the rooftops about it. It's going to get taken away. If it's a trick and it's a secret way of finding something out, you don't go telling everyone. I don't know. Anyways, so for now, Para is no longer able to give us the full tip transparency that they were able to give before. Maybe they're working on it, maybe they're not. Maybe another app will come out that will offer that. I think it would be so much easier if DoorDash would just tell us how much we're getting. They know. They know before we accept that offer. DoorDash already knows how much we're going to get. Why not share it with us? I don't know why it has to be a secret. Why does it have to be a game? I don't know. Anyways, is what it is. I still love DoorDash. I still deliver for DoorDash. And, you know, I'm just going to use the tactics I've been using all along to try to determine whether there will be an added tip or not. So, anyways, that's all I had to say. I picked the wrong weekend to try it. It was broken. But anyways, thanks for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and click thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you next time.